I'm now going to show you how to use our iCloud Backup feature, which is a handy pro subscription model feature that will allow you to back up your saved habit data in Streaks in case anything should happen to your phone or your data. So from the settings menu, I'm going to toggle to enable the iCloud Backup, which you can see here is toggled in green to be on. And if you look up into the upper right of your screen, next to the setting gears icon, you'll see a green cloud. This means that it is now syncing with the iCloud Backup. And as you can see here, I have many completed habits and goal streaks that is being saved and backed up to the cloud. Now for this next example, you'll see that I actually have no habits or streaks active at this time. Let's just say that I've upgraded my phone to the latest model, or my phone has become damaged or lost and I had to replace it. Well, I don't want to lose all of my data, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go back in and we're going to pull all of our backed up data from the cloud. And we're going to go do that by going back into the settings menu, and we're going to click on iCloud Sync so that it turns green by enabling the toggle. You're going to wait a few moments here as we pull the data from the cloud. Please be patient as this can take several moments. And then there we go. All of my habits and streaks and streak data and habit data has been successfully pulled from the iCloud Backup, allowing me to pick up right where I left off on either my new phone or my replacement phone, and my habits and streaks are all intact and ready to keep going.